Hey.
Hey.
How long have you known me for?
Years?
8 years.
No, more than that.
Probably. She changed my diapers once.
What?
I don't know, maybe I had a bikini on. I don't know. Hey guys, it's SHIRAAZ. I am right now in Muka. Muka. Hey. See, there are Asian people in Mauritius too. Whoa. So, fun fact, I was sitting down, minding my own business. Turns out on my chair is bird shit. What? What? Alright, so what is that? Anyway, this is Mauritius, so you have birds that shits everywhere. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try and get a new shirt. But there are no men's shops around. Let's go. Let's go see! Let's go! Yeah, belly rond. That didn't work. What are we gonna do?
I'm just Asian.
I'm just Asian? Oh my god! Alright, I'm just gonna steal her sweater and...
Excuse-moi.
Excuse-moi? Excuse-moi? So we decided to come back to my high school and to take... what? C'est quoi? Oh, f***. So we decided to recreate a childhood picture, but since we're just 4 people, we're gonna try it with 4 instead of, I don't know. Oh my god! Alright, we finally found it, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it. We're gonna try to recreate it. Let's see how it goes. So we're gonna try and go to the roof of the school, like on the roof once again. We used to do that when we were younger.
When we
And
were
fearless. So all the way up there. Don't try this at home if you're still a student here. Are you excited?
I'm just Asian.
Do you think like whatever we wrote on the walls are still here? We were bad kids, bad kids. Just kidding. I used to come here all the time.
Perks of being president of student council.
Right. No one ever knew that we were coming here, but we still did. Is this supposed to be like the technical lab?
Yeah.
4 years later, it still didn't work.
I'm just Asian.
Oh my god. Oh, I forgot to say, which school are we in?
MGI SS.
MGI SS. Yeah. It's one of the only schools in Mauritius that are mixed, right? Like co-ed. One of the few.
One of the originals that were like co-ed.
How many co-ed schools are there?
The other MGS.
Oh yeah, like the other branches of the MGI system, probably.
And a few private schools, I think.
Private schools, yeah. Otherwise, everything in Mauritius is like single sex.
And it's weird.
Right? Isn't it only guys, only girls? Alright, that was it. Was it fun?
Yeah, it was.
Bye!
devastating.